Hello guys, this video demonstrates the programming of an Arduino robot. In this video, I am going to tell you about the programming of a Bluetooth controlled Arduino Magician chassis robot. For controlling the robot with the Bluetooth, the first thing we require is the Bluetooth chip. This Bluetooth chip has 4 terminals. The first terminal is VCC, second one is the ground, third one is the transmitter pin, that is TX, and the fourth one is the RX. The description of these pins is given in the back side of these pins, so you can verify from there. Now we have to interface this pin with the microcontroller chip so that the microcontroller can give the directions to this chip. For interfacing, I am connecting pin number 4 with the VCC of microcontroller chip, pin number 2 that is the TX pin with RX of microcontroller, pin number 3 with the ground, pin number 1 with the TX. This pin number 1 is the receiver pin of the Bluetooth, which we are connecting to the transmitter pin of the microcontroller chip. In this way, your connections of the Bluetooth board is ready, so you can program it now. Now I am showing you the programming and the circuit diagram of Bluetooth controlled Arduino robot. It is the circuit diagram. The next is the Bluetooth chip. The green part is the front part of the chip and the blue part is the back part of the Bluetooth chip. Next is the connection. And here is the programming. The first thing which we have to do is to describe the pins and specify their function. So I have specified pin number 10 as enable A, pin number 2 as pin A1, pin number 3 as pin A2, pin number 9 as enable B, pin number 4 as pin B1, and pin number 5 as pin number B2. Next, for applying this, we will have to make a function. So I have made a function setup with the returning, which is returning value 0. So I have returned prefix void with it. Now I have declared pin number 10, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the output pins. That means it is giving the digital output. This I have shown by writing pin mode 10 output, pin mode 9 output, pin mode 2 output in this way. The next portion is the loop, because if we want to run the robot, then we have to again and again apply the functions which it required for its movement. So I am using a loop here with void, that is, it again shows that it is returning value 0. After this, I have kept a condition that if serial dot available is greater than 0. Serial dot available is indicating the value of serial monitor that is in the Arduino software. If its value is greater than 0, and that value is given by the Bluetooth, that means if the Bluetooth receives any signal, then serial dot available will be greater than 0 and it will provide you some value. In this condition, your character variable will get a value that will be equals to serial dot read, and the analog write signal will be given to the enable A and enable B pins. In this condition, your bot will become ready to operate on the Bluetooth. Then you can control it by providing signal. For controlling it with signal, I am using switch case here. For case number 8, I am providing digital signals to pin number A1, A2, B1, B2 as high, low, low, high. So in this condition, the board will move forward. For second case, I am providing pin number A1, A2, B1, B2 as low, high and high, low. In this condition, board will move backward. In the next case, that is the case 4, I have provided these pin low, high and low, high, so they will move in left direction. And after this, I have made a switch case 6th in which I have provided high, low, so it will move in right direction. If any signal does not comes, that means it is getting a value 0. So in that condition, I have made a default function which will write on the enable pins 0, 0. So in this condition, the board will automatically stop. So this was the programming of the Arduino Bluetooth control robot. Now I am showing you the working model of the Arduino robot, the Magician chassis, which is controlled by Bluetooth. Its programming I have already told you on the laptop. For controlling this, I am using a simple Blue Stick Android app which is easily available on the Google Play Store. This app is very simple to hold. For controlling the robot, we first have to pair a robot by going on the pair and selecting the Bluetooth, as my Bluetooth name is HC06. So on selecting HC06, my robot will be paired with my Blue Stick app. Now I can control with the 4 movement options which is given in the Blue Stick app, as I am showing you. On pressing forward, my board will move forward. On pressing backward, it moves backward. On pressing right, it moves right. On pressing left, it will move left. So this was the working model of the Arduino robot, the Magician chassis.